talking all about our space and livening it up, I cannot think of anything that helps warm up a space while also helps store all of your items better than a great basket. And these are a set of 3 for $37.99. They should be $67, but you are getting them today. There's no reorder. You are getting the free shipping and handling, the 5 easy payments of $7.60. It breaks down to $12 and change per basket. You are getting 1 large, 1 medium, and 1 small. This is function meets style. It's going to help warm up that space, but will also help with the decluttering. I'm going to welcome in Carrie Lachlan. Carrie, I hope I don't make any more penalties over here, but I have to say, I love a basket.
A basket, you know, a basket will do you good. That's what I always say. So here in my home studio, I'm just showing you the 2 sizes in the 2 colors that we have, but these are fantastic. With the larger one, John, I love it. I always do a hip check. And this is where I kind of make sure that, like, as I'm going around the house, does it work kind of resting on my hip? If I wanted to use this as a laundry basket, it's really great as well. If I wanted to use this for a plant, if you wanted to stick a little dish down in here and place a plant in here, this is a really nice size. So this is polyrattan. Think of it like the material that you have outside for your outdoor wicker furniture. So really easy to wipe down. You're not going to get all those broken pieces like in regular wicker that kind of breaks off and then makes all the dust. It has a really nice flat bottom as well, which I love. It's that really great square flat bottom, so it's going to sit nice and flat on the floor, or if you have it up on a dresser or a shelf. But just really, really beautiful looking baskets, super sturdy too. You have that full metal encasing inside as well. So you can do a lot with these.
And I love that this is a way that, you know, you can utilize all 3 of them together if you want by, you know, arranging them in a front hallway. But this is also something that is practical in the way that it will help give a home to anything in your house. I see some pillows that may be wandering onto set. Thank you. Oh, just Vanna White over here.
There we go. Yeah,
this
baskets are great for everything. Like you can see right here, this is actually whenever I have guests come to my home, I'll always put their guest towels into my little basket and then set it right into their guest room. Sometimes I'll get fancy and put a little lavender or, you know, a little hand soap or something in there as well. But whether you're doing it for decor or you're doing it for function, whether if you have kids, I mean, my son is obsessed with the little pew pew, you know, the little foam. I don't know if I'm allowed to say it, but like the foam darts that go all over the house. So sometimes I would literally just go, here, go pick these all up. And like he'll just go around like he's collecting eggs and pick up all his darts.
It's a task. It's a great task. And I mean, for $37.99 to get all 3 of these, when you look at the fancy decor magazines or you go into those stores, I mean, you'd be lucky to get one small basket for $37.99. And if you're picking these up, I obviously love them for functionality and for your home, but what a great way to put your gifts in. You know, if you were going to gift someone as a housewarming, maybe a set of our Home Reflections sheets and maybe a philosophy bottle or something. You can build your own basket and then keep one for yourself to, you know, have in your own home.
Absolutely. I mean, I will say, as I've been designing homes and hotels now for, gosh, I don't even know how long, for like well over, we're approaching 2 decades soon. And the 2 things that when I am out for my clients that really make me gasp and I need the most are throw pillows and baskets. So as Home Reflections, when we go to market, when we're talking to our vendors, we know that in our homes, that's also how we add decor and function. So we're working with those vendors that are also working with those really beautiful catalog stores. We're just cutting out the middleman. So the quality and style that you were getting here at Home Reflections is that.
I mean, I was inspired. We had a show a few weeks ago together, and the next morning I went out and I was like, I'm going to revamp my bedroom. I'm going to get those baskets like Carrie told me, put one in the bathroom, put one by my bed. And I had sticker shock. I had no idea how expensive they were. And the fact that you were able to get 3 of these today in different sizes for $37.99, you will always find a home for a basket somewhere in the house. It will liven up the space. 5 easy payments of $7.60 and free shipping and handling to get this home. Do not miss out on it. Call 800-500-7590. We have 2 colors for you. I almost forgot. We have the dark walnut and we have the light tan for you. The light tan is going super quickly. So you are seeing these are the light tan. Carrie has that walnut over there next to it. And we have a photo of it on QVC.com. Take advantage of this free shipping and handling and this great clearance sale price. But I love, Carrie, when you talk about the drop zones in your home.
Yes.
Because
everything
it's just me in my house, me, myself, and I, but I have the drop zones where everything just gets thrown into a pile. This is such a great way to really organize everything, but also give that warmth to a space.
100%. I started off as an organizer when it came to the home space. So drop zones are those places where you're already dropping things. So whether you're dropping your shoes, your children are dropping their mittens, their gloves, their scarves, your dog is dropping their toys and you still have to pick up all their toys as well. Anywhere where you have those drop zones, put a basket, put something that's going to corral these. And then that way, you can pick a day throughout the week where you kind of go and put everything away and organize your life. Or they can live in the basket for a little bit longer so you don't have to worry about checking that one thing off your to-do list. But if you're already dropping something somewhere, add a basket. All of a sudden you will feel that much more at ease and that much more calm, and your space will be that much more serene. So this is really great too, because if you're somebody who you only do shoes in the outside and not in the inside, you can throw these in. Or maybe you have slippers or slides, because this can all be wiped out because of the material on this. It's really fantastic because things get dusty. Like, as much as we'd like to think that, oh, nothing will ever no, it's going to get dusty. So it's an easy clean. I always think about how we have to clean things as well when we bring them into our home.
Right. And we've had 150 orders in this show alone, so do not wait on these. This is such a great way to add that functionality and style into your home. We have the large, the medium, and the small. For $37.99, you get all 3 of those. Free shipping and handling, 5 easy payments of $7.60. Do not wait on these. This is your light tan, which is super limited. And then we also have that darker walnut color. Friend to friend, pick up both. Get one in each color. You can mix and match with them, or you'll find different homes for them in your own home. It's item number H468543. Carrie, thank you so much for bringing us such great home reflections, but you're not going anywhere. You're coming back in a little bit.
I'm not. I will be here.
Awesome. I will see you in just a few. And make sure you are placing those orders. 800-500-7590 is the number to call. Take advantage of that free shipping and handling and the 5 easy payments, which go away at the end of the day.
All right, our next item.